Hey, hope you're all doing well and welcome to our Tegiwa unboxing series. Today I'll be unboxing the Dragy GPS Performance Monitoring Device, which is currently listed on our website at £129, including VAT at the time of filming. We have done a video on this product before with John's Porsche 911 GT3. However, now a few moons have come and gone, we thought it's a perfect time to update that video and go into depth on this product. Inside the box, you'll be greeted with the Dragy GPS Performance Device, which its size is 8 cm by 3 cm. Its housing is high quality durable plastic featuring a 10-hour internal battery, LED light on the top and underneath a magnetic back that can be used alongside the supplied magnetic plates. The two plates are 6.5 cm by 4.5 cm with an adhesive backing so you can securely mount the Dragy device. A micro USB cable that is 81.5 cm long. And finally, an instructions booklet that lets you know exactly what's in the box, how to get started, the Dragy app, and how to get connected. So what does the Dragy do? Well, it measures acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 60 to 130 miles per hour, quarter mile and half a mile performance, braking times, lap times on track, which I think it's still under development at the time of this video, and G-force measurements. So testing and analysing your vehicle's performance from your smartphone has never been easier. Runs are saved in both metric and SAE formats, allowing comparisons of 100 to 200 kilometers and all metric equivalents. The system can be run simultaneously with popular mobile application JB4 Mobile and other Bluetooth apps. However, the device works best with the Dragy app, which is available free of charge for both iOS and Android. And talking of the app, you can create your own personalized profile that allows you to log and share your accomplishments, stats and video footage on forums, social media or to other drivers on the unique Dragy leaderboard. You can also filter the leaderboards to a certain model of car, location and or performance measurements, for example 0 to 60 miles per hour or quarter mile, etc, etc. You can also superimpose performance data over your mobile camera too. Internally, this device consists of a 10Hz GPS Plus GLONASS module using high-speed GPS satellites to accurately measure your vehicle's performance within 1/100th of a second, producing identical results to the more expensive counterparts. It pairs with Apple iOS or Android through Bluetooth 4, which ensures a reliable and stable connection to your phone. So that was a quick rundown of the Dragy. Now let's move on to the setup. Setting up the Dragy is simple, quick and convenient. You don't need to plug it into anything such as an OBD port, as it is completely independent and the only things you need is the Dragy, a smartphone with a Bluetooth connection and the free Dragy app. Firstly, you will need to download the Dragy app through your phone's app store by simply typing in Dragy in the search bar. Once installed, you will need to make an account by clicking the sign up text and follow the instructions till complete. Then you will need to sign in accordingly using the email and password you chose. You will then have 4 options available. We will work right to left, starting off with me. This is your personal profile, which consists of a profile pic, which as you can tell, it is totally me. Notifications, your history, your garage, which you can add multiple different cars and information on them. As you can see, I daily a Veyron. You'll also have your video recordings, your unit preference and settings. The next tab along is the feed, where you can explore and follow people. Now onto the leaderboards. You can go by car brand, regions, 0 to 60, 60 to 130 miles per hour, etc, etc. And finally, you've got the home screen, which is where you connect the Dragy to the app. You'll need to make sure the Dragy is charged and your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. Then you simply click connect and the app will connect to the nearest Dragy, and within 2 seconds the Dragy will connect. Once connected, you will see that the LED on the front of the Dragy will continuously flash. From there you can see your reports, all the current stats and information, and record your results through your phone's camera, which also displays a real-time speedo and performance report. Once finished, you can close the app and turn your phone's Bluetooth off, and the Dragy device will automatically disconnect. And that wraps up the Dragy GPS Performance device. If you have any questions regarding this product, then please contact us on Facebook or drop us an email at websales@tegiwaimports.com, and we'll be more than happy to assist you where we can. I hope you've all found this video helpful, and I'll see you all in the next one. See you later.